You know, aloe vera might just be one of the most underrated plants in your garden. Not only is it beautiful and low maintenance, but it also packs some pretty amazing health benefits. From soothing sunburns to boosting digestion, aloe is a little green miracle worker. Some studies even suggest it helps regulate blood sugar and lower blood pressure. And let's not forget, aloe is loaded with antioxidants and has natural antibacterial properties. It's basically nature's first aid kit, right in your backyard. Now, let's talk about growing it. Aloe vera is a succulent, so it loves dry, sunny spots. Too much water is actually its worst enemy. I like to plant mine in well-drained soil, usually. A mix of potting soil and sand or perlite. You can even grow it in pots if you don't have much space. When it comes to fertilizing, less is more. A little compost or a diluted organic fertilizer every couple of months is plenty. I'm just adding a bit of natural compost here while pulling out the weeds. Keeping the area around the plant clean not only helps it breathe, but also keeps pests and mold away. One tip, don't water it like you water your vegetables. Aloe wants its roots to dry out completely between waterings. If you see the leaves turning mushy or brown, that's usually a sign of overwatering. Just back off and let the soil dry, and if your aloe gets too crowded, it'll start sending off little baby plants, called pups. You can pull them out and replant them to expand your aloe garden or give them to friends. It's an easy way to spread a little green goodness. Personally, I keep an aloe plant right outside my kitchen. Anytime I get a cut or a bug bite, I just snap off a leaf and rub the gel on it. Feels amazing, and it works fast. Whether you're growing aloe for its health, benefits, or just because it's a cool-looking plant, it's definitely worth having around. A little care goes a long way with this one. Thanks for spending time in the garden with me today. Stay tuned for more tips, and as always, happy planting.